Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix stock iPhone applications missing. To fix stock iPhone applications which are missing, you have to follow my steps. First of all, you need to know what is stock app. So basically, the stock applications are the applications which are already installed in your iPhone. You can see the stock app from your home screen or search for them from the app library. So the stock apps are known as Clock, Compass, Contact, File Manager, Health, and many more apps like this. The other way to find the missing stock apps is to open up the App Store. Once you open it up, tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner. Then, you can search for any of the iPhone stock apps from here. After the search, you will find the app, so simply tap to open it up. Or you can install it if somehow the app got uninstalled. By using these two methods, you'll be able to fix the stock iPhone applications missing problem. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.